And we're continuing to track some of that freezing drizzle out there this morning. Again, most of the major roadways have fared okay. You just got to watch out for any of those bridges and overpasses. Could become fairly slick and they'll sneak up on you because you're not going to be able to see it coming here with some of these roadways still wet as we head out the door this morning. But again, that satellite and radar, most of that's fairly clear. A lot of that drizzle is tough to show up, but that is not the same thing. You look back toward the south and west, Oklahoma City, even all the way up into Wichita, dealing with a big problem here. That's a problem we're glad we're not dealing with here as we get into this morning. That's an ice storm that's developing down in central Oklahoma. All of that moisture, though, is going to work our direction as we get into the next couple of hours here. By the afternoon, thankfully, though, at the timing of this, it's going to be coming into some warmer temperatures. Now, we could still see a little bit of that sleet maybe mixing all the way down in with some of those raindrops, but this looks like a cold rain situation as we get into this afternoon with those temperatures not far, but far enough away from that freezing mark later on this afternoon into those mid to upper 30s. That's about where we hang on tonight, and then we got another round of rain, and that looks like a pretty good soaking rain that we're going to be tracking into tomorrow. And Rain Tracker, again, kind of backing up the idea. The heaviest of this, though, looks like it's going to be along or south of I-44 and outside of the viewing area. Back here into mid-Missouri, though, still expecting about 2 to 3 inches by the time this is all said and done on Friday morning. And then we can finally dry out, catch our breath as we get into this holiday weekend. Temperature is rebounding as well, back into the 50s on Friday. Could be flirting with 60 degrees here on Halloween itself. And then as we roll back those clocks on Sunday, get an extra hour of sleep. Another one less hour, I guess, to enjoy some of that sunshine into the afternoon. But temperature is still going to be at least in the 50s. That's about better than what we've seen these last couple of days here across mid-Missouri. It's been nice and gloomy here. Looks like we can finally shake that, though, as we get into this weekend.